जैकेट को पाउच से निकालें। इंडिगो स्ट्रेच सीट्स के यात्री अपनी रक्षा जैकेट आर्म रेस्ट के नीचे रेड टैब खींच के कंपार्टमेंट से निकालें। रक्षा जैकेट को इस तरह सर के ऊपर से पहनें। अब स्ट्रैप को सामने से बकल में डालें और एडजस्ट करें। रक्षा जैकेट को भुलाने के लिए लाल टैब्स या टैब को ऐसे खींचें। Punishable offense as it affects the safety of the aircraft. Thank you for your cooperation. Your safety is our top priority. We request you to share this responsibility with us and pay close attention to this demonstration, even if fall automatically from the panel above. Pull a mask down sharply to initiate oxygen flow. Cover your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Ensure your mask is secured before helping others. There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft. 2 at the front, 2 in the middle, 2 at the rear, and 2 over the wings. The fluorescent strips along the floor will guide you to the closest exit. For a quick and safe evacuation, please leave your belongings behind and follow crew instructions. In the unlikely event of a water landing, please take the life jacket from under your seat. For Indigo stretch seat customers, please pull the red tab to take the life jacket stored in a compartment under the central armrest. Slip it over your head, secure the strap around your waist. Inflate by pulling the red tab or tabs, and to inflate it further, blow into the inflation tube or tubes. Inflate the life jacket just before leaving the main exit doors. If evacuating through an overwing exit, inflate the life jacket after leaving. If the aircraft has slides or slide rafts, board the nearest draft on exit. Tampering with or removing the life jacket without crew authorization is prohibited and punishable. In case of an emergency landing, slides or slide rafts may be deployed. Please read our safety instruction card on how to use the slides or slide rafts. A safety information card and a communication guide are available in Braille. Power banks and lithium batteries can overheat and catch fire. Keep them in your sight and not in overhead bins. Do not use or charge power banks during the flight. If any device emits heat, smoke, or an unusual odor, inform cabin crew immediately. You may use in-seat power outlets where available to charge your devices. Thank you for your attention.
Turun.